What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Prodentim before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Prodentim works. What is Prodentim? Prodentim is a completely natural supplement formulated to target and eliminate unwanted accumulations in the oral cavity. When I first discovered Prodentim, I was intrigued by its promise to enhance oral health naturally. Benefits of using Prodentim: reduced gum bleeding, noticeable decrease in gum bleeding. Prevention of gingivitis, effective in preventing gingivitis. Improved overall oral health, significant enhancement in oral health. Maintained teeth whiteness, helps maintain teeth whiteness. These benefits make Prodentim a valuable addition to my oral care routine. As my body adjusted to the ingredients, I saw improvements in early cavity development, gum issues, and teeth strength. How does Prodentim work? In my experience, Prodentim works by rebalancing the beneficial bacteria in your mouth while reducing harmful bacteria. This results in notable improvements in oral health, which I've personally observed since I began using it. How to take Prodentim? Using Prodentim is straightforward. Every morning, I slowly chew a tablet. This routine supports the health of my entire body, gums, and teeth, making it an easy part of my daily regimen. Prodentim ingredients. Prodentim's formula includes a blend of naturally derived vegetables and minerals. Lactobacillus paracasei, Lactobacillus reuteri, B.lactose BL04 registered trademark, inulin, malic acid, tricalcium phosphate, peppermint. These ingredients each have specific roles, such as reducing gingivitis, improving mouth health, and whitening teeth. Knowing that Prodentim uses natural components made me feel comfortable and confident in its safety and effectiveness. Where to buy Prodentim? To ensure product authenticity and secure transactions, I always purchase Prodentim from the official manufacturer's website. This way, I also get access to customer support. How soon can you expect results? Results vary, but I noticed improvements within a week. For the best results, it's recommended to use Prodentim for at least 3 months. Bulk purchase options, such as 3 or 6 containers, are available for long-term use. Prodentim feedback. You can find numerous testimonials from satisfied customers on the official Prodentim website. These consumer reports reflect the positive experiences of many others who have tried the product. Prodentim guarantee. One of the reassuring aspects of Prodentim is its 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can request a refund within this period. Personally, I've never needed to use this option because I'm delighted with the results. Conclusion. In conclusion, my real customer review of Prodentim is highly positive. This supplement has significantly improved my oral health with its natural ingredients. For anyone considering Prodentim, I highly recommend it.